Hello, and thank you very much for taking a look at our business plan specific for an EB2 NIW visa. Very quickly, I'm going to walk through the plan just to show you what it looks like in terms of our capabilities of putting together one that's appropriate for your immigration visa, and certainly we can work very closely with you as well as your attorney to get it exactly as needed. One of the most important things we focus on when developing a business plan specific for the EB2 NIW program is to make sure that the business has a national level importance. Unlike, let's say, an investor-focused visa where it's more about the amount of money you're looking to raise and the employment that you're creating, the EB2 program focuses very heavily on showcasing that there's a national interest in having these operations. We focus on both that point as well as creating employment just to strengthen the plan. We always start with the executive summary outlining the operations of the business, nature and scope. We do a breakdown of how much money you're investing into the business. And we always do a full 5-year financial model in every plan that we do. This is, of course, is expanded a bit in the financial plan. The industry and market analysis. For this is a completely fictional business that we did specifically for a fitness training company. One of the things that we focus on heavily on this is not only the economic viability of the business, but also how to create a healthier country by providing these services, and that's where we focused on for the national level importance. Depending on what type of business you're operating, if it's a locally focused business, we always do an examination of the local market. For the purposes of this sample, we chose Princeton, New Jersey. So we took a look at Mercer County, where it's located, in terms of population density, median household income. We always do a thorough competitive analysis. Because this is for a fictional business, we kept this a little bit short. I didn't want to use the names of any real companies in there. Then we discuss the company's strengths. Chapter 4 is the marketing plan and the competitive features. We discuss website and digital marketing, social media marketing, relationships with gyms and fitness centers, as well as allied healthcare professionals. We discuss video marketing and the overall competitive features of the business. Then we move into the management and personnel overview. This is the corporate hierarchy, headcount and payroll. And then we do the roles and responsibilities where we discuss senior management, managerial level staff, the operations and marketing staff, and descriptions are given for each type of employee. Chapter 6 is the need for the company's services, and this again speaks to the national level importance where we discuss, in this case because it's a fitness trainer, we discuss the national obesity rates, diabetes prevalence, heart disease prevalence, just to show there's an immense demand for a company that provides fitness training services. We then go into the financial plan, which again is done on a 5-year basis. And we start with the revenue assumptions. In this business plan, we discuss both fitness training and on-site nutrition services. Profit and loss statement. Common size income statement. Cash flow analysis. Balance sheet. Break-even analysis and business ratios. Chapter 8 is the national level importance overview, where we discuss things such as supporting small and medium-sized businesses, creating a more qualified workforce through certain continuing education and training programs, the financial and employment benefits that will be provided, indirect job creation, and just an overview of supporting the U.S. economy and national health. We then move into the SWOT analysis, which discusses the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of the business, the risk analysis, the reference sources where we received the data from, and then we move into the expanded profit and loss statements and cash flow analysis. In year 1, we break down the profit and loss monthly, quarterlies for year 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the same with the cash flow analysis, broken down monthly for year 1, and then quarterly for year 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that's essentially it. We've been in business for the past 19 years. This will be our 20th year in business this September. We have done an extensive amount of work for immigration-focused clients, not only for the EB2 NIW program, but also for E2, L1A, and EB5 plans. So if you come across this video and you need a business plan specific for another type of visa, we're more than happy to help you with that as well. And certainly we're always happy to coordinate with your attorney to make sure the plan is done in line with how their petition or letter is going to be drafted. And certainly your attorney is always welcome to call us, and we can work in tandem with them as well. Thank you very much for taking a look. If you'd like any additional information regarding our services, please feel free to visit our web address. It's in the comment box below. You can just click on the link for more information, and certainly feel free to reach us anytime. Thank you very much for taking a look. Take care.